That is so embarrassing. That is annoying. I literally forgot my wallet at home, so I don't have my license or any of my cards to get gas, so yeah, that was a waste of time. Hopefully I don't get pulled over now. I don't have anything on me. Like, I'm pretty low right now, but I know my car very well, so.
Finally learned his lesson, dude.
So we're on
literally not, it's just rolling now.
I still have quite a bit of gas left. Good thing I'm not like actually like empty. What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I hope you all are having a good day so far. I have a lot of things that I have yet to do with the FRS before we send in for its new color. New like hardware, I have to put spacers on the car, some better fitment, because if you guys watched the previous video, my fitment is absolutely horrible right now, so we're gonna have to fix that, but that's not like on the priority list. I'm still working to get the bumper fitted onto the car. I want the full kit on, like everything looking perfect before I go on to like fitment and stuff. There's no point in working on fitment if the kit's not even really like fully on yet. So if you guys aren't up to date with the videos, I installed the V3 kit last video, but I didn't put the bumper on yet because the person that I bought the bumper off of, he bought the bumper off of a guy that crashed the car. So the bumper was completely destroyed. The fitment is not perfect whatsoever. There's a lot of work to do to get the bumper to fit with the kit and the car. So that's what we're gonna be doing today to get it to fit perfect. After that, I'm probably, if I have time, gonna install some new hardware onto the car. So we're gonna get rid of all the self-tapping screws and then put actual riv nuts with like some Allen bolts all around. So make it look a little bit cleaner and more secure. Oh my gosh, it looks hideous right now. Can literally see my frame. So the reason why I don't have any of the front end on, I've been working on this front bumper right here. This has been my project for like the past few days so far. This side right here has been giving me the most problems fitment wise. This whole area right here was like in pieces, so putting it back together with fiberglass and mocking up to the car, the fitment did not come out perfect whatsoever. So I've been trimming things and cutting and trying to make it to fit perfect again, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna continue for today. Something that I'm not doing is settling for like poor fitment. I feel like I did that with the V1 fenders. So this time around with the V3 kit, I'm not settling with that anymore. The main issue with this side is, I don't know, I feel like this sits a little bit too low. Like just the level right here sits a little bit low. When I throw it on the car, it hits the top of the headlight. So I feel like this whole area right here is a little bit too narrow for the headlights. So that's why I made this little cut right here, so I can actually lift it up a little bit. In that case, I'm probably gonna have to put it on the car, lift this up, and then go ahead and fiberglass that little gap right there. Who showed up? Damn. Whose fenders are those? What's up, bro?
What's up?
So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually taping up my headlights so we don't scratch it up with like test fitting the bumper, because these fiberglass pieces are pretty sharp. I actually already scratched my headlight a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's that little mark right there, which made me so sad. I literally just got these headlights. Taping these up so we don't scratch them anymore. All right, looks good enough. Safety first. Alright guys, so this is how the bumper fits on the car. So it fits perfect. It's just when the fenders are bolted up to the sides, that's when things just start to get all misaligned. The right side, perfect. As you can see, like it fits really good. Lines up with the body right here. Sits pretty flush. But the left side, where the crash was, this part right here has a little gap right here. And when I push it up, it pretty much like pulls the headlight. It pushes the headlight up. So it's pretty much like in this area. I believe this is a little bit too high, so That's why there's like a big gap right here, also right here, because this part sits a little bit too high, and it's literally just like blocking from putting this all the way up. I might have to sand this down a little bit more. That looks so good though. It looks so aggressive, like even in this stage right here, but once it's one color, oh my gosh, it's gonna look so mean from the front. I think that did the trick. Now it goes up to here. I think that did the trick. I shaved a ton of this part right here down. As you can see, it's kind of showing, but I could easily repair that from behind, but it's not pushing the headlight up anymore, which is super good, and it sits pretty flush with the fender. Heck yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the fender onto this bumper, and then hopefully after that, it lines up with these holes. Hopefully. Damn. Dude, it worked. Cutting that little piece right there made such a huge difference, and now we can actually get the fenders on the car. This is what I was so hyped about. Like, look at this fitment. It looks so good. Like, I haven't had like proper front fender to like bumper fitment in so long. I've always used like these zip ties right here, but dude, look at that. Oh my gosh. Damn. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Just laid down the first few layers of fiberglass. Like I said, I had to fill up that little gap that I had cut before. Honestly, coming along pretty good so far. Got the fitment down to where I like it. It's been so long. Like, I've always ran like the little quick release bumper tabs right here. I ran that with my V1 kit from like the start. My fitment with bumpers and fenders has always been kind of bad, but it's good to have some nice fitment now. I'm gonna start taking off the kit so we can work on the new hardware. In the install, I went ahead and used some self-tapping screws all around the car, but it was just temporary. I wasn't gonna leave those on forever. So now we went ahead and got some steel rivet nuts to put around the car with some Allen bolts. Normal rivets, you literally just like pop them into the car and then you have to drill them out. But what these are called rivet nuts. This is what they look like, and in the inside, there are threads, so you can actually thread a bolt into this. So this is what is gonna go onto the body of the car. Then we're gonna put the fender over this, and then we'll put the bolt through both. So it's like an easy way with rivets. It's a way of rivets that you can actually just unscrew instead of having to drill out. So I have a bad example with cardboard, but so I have a hole right here. We put the rivet nut through, so it's like this, and then we grab the rivet tool. All right, so it's all the way on there. So when we go ahead and press like a normal rivet, I know this is a very bad example, but picture the cardboard being the body of the car. So it'll look like this from the outside, and from behind, it literally like squeezes the metal together. So it's just like a great option with wide body hardware, because you can literally just grab a bolt the right size and just thread it through. So it goes from that on the left side to the right side. Yo, this is so sick. I am super pumped with how the car is coming along so far. Front bumper is on, fitted perfect to the car, along with the new hardware for the kit. I feel like it's coming along pretty quick. It is so close for the new color. I just have to fix up the bumper a little bit. We got the fitment done like I showed you guys, but next is making it look all nice sanding all this fiberglass off, throwing a little bit of Bondo on it to make it nice and smooth. And yeah, after that we should be good to go. The next video I'm probably gonna throw some spacers on the car because it definitely needs some more poke. I'm not settling with this type of fitment right here. This is not acceptable. We're probably gonna throw an inch spacer for the front and then a 2-inch for the rear. That should work. Yeah, unacceptable. Let me know if you guys are enjoying the videos with the wide body kit. It's pretty fun, honestly, not gonna lie, filming the whole process. And just the whole process in general is really fun. Just getting the car ready from start to finish. It's so fun. I love it so much. And I hope you guys are enjoying the videos along with it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave me a like on the video and also comment down below what you guys think of the FRS so far. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.